Looking for your next best-selling item? Wholesale, the future of play. When girls build outfits from scratch, taste develops naturally. When girls name their favorite looks, one more set is already decided. When every outfit tells a story, kids keep styling and parents keep smiling. A set that keeps kids focused without screens wins parents instantly. When storage looks clean, the product looks premium. When it fits both gift season and daily sales, it stays evergreen. Fishing, quiet, screen-free play that can be played anywhere. Car rides, restaurants, flights. Steam track cars. Time travel. The track snaps onto a magnetic board, so a small space turns into endless layouts. Steam hands-on. Crazy basketball. Basketball goes from quick shots to distance challenges and score battles. Magnetic puzzle. One-day art museum. Some versions double as coasters. Small, fun, and actually useful. Factory direct supply means stable quality and stable lead time. Made for kids, tested to meet the standards of the markets that matter. Non-stop printing means one thing: products are moving fast. Factory direct stock, ready to ship, ready to restock. Want the catalog and wholesale info? Message us now.